The world outside is draped in winter's stark beauty. Snow dusts the landscape, painting a serene yet unforgiving picture. Yet, amidst this frosted canvas, bursts of life flutter and flit. Small birds, with their vibrant plumage, dance across the wintry stage. They remind us that life endures even in the face of adversity. For generations, humans have found solace and joy in feeding these feathered wonders. Across cultures, the act of feeding birds is deeply ingrained in our collective consciousness. From the bustling streets of London to the tranquil Japanese gardens, the tradition endures. Grandparents share stories with wide-eyed grandchildren, recounting tales of robins and sparrows visiting backyard feeders. These shared moments weave a tapestry of connection, linking generations through a shared love for nature. The clinking of bird feeders, the gentle scattering of seeds, these simple acts transcend cultural boundaries, speaking a universal language of compassion. The reasons behind this enduring tradition are multifaceted. For some, it's the sheer joy of observing these creatures up close, their delicate features and intricate plumage, revealed in exquisite detail. The flash of a blue tit's wing, the cheeky chatter of a robin. These fleeting moments bring a touch of the wild into our everyday lives. For others, it's a way to connect with nature, to feel a sense of kinship with the living world beyond our doorstep. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and urban sprawl, feeding birds offers a tangible way to reconnect with the natural world. It's a reminder that we are not separate from nature, but rather an integral part of its intricate web. And in caring for these creatures, we nourish not only their bodies, but also our souls. As temperatures plummet and daylight hours dwindle, winter presents a formidable challenge for our avian companions. The once abundant sources of food, insects and berries become scarce beneath a blanket of snow and ice. The bird's metabolism, working overtime to maintain their body temperature, demands a constant supply of energy. Yet the harsh reality is that many birds succumb to starvation during these unforgiving months. Imagine a robin, its scarlet breast puffed against the cold, hopping from branch to frozen ground, desperately searching for a morsel to sustain its tiny body. Or a wren, barely larger than a thumb, braving the elements in search of a meager insect hiding beneath the bark of a tree. The energy expended in finding food often outweighs the energy gained from the meager pickings available. The loss of natural habitats due to deforestation and urbanization further exacerbates the challenges birds face in winter. Hedgerows, once teeming with insects and berries, are replaced with concrete and fences. Gardens, once havens for wildlife, are manicured to within an inch of their lives, leaving little room for nature to thrive. The consequences of habitat loss are far-reaching. It not only reduces the availability of food and shelter, but also disrupts the delicate balance of ecosystems. As we encroach further into their natural habitats, we inadvertently push these creatures closer to the brink. Thankfully, amidst these challenges, there is hope. The act of feeding birds in winter, though seemingly small, can have a profound impact on their survival. By providing a reliable source of supplementary food, we offer a lifeline during times of scarcity. Studies have shown that birds with access to bird feeders are more likely to survive harsh winters, have better body condition, and produce more offspring. Our understanding of the importance of biodiversity has also grown significantly over the years. We now recognize that each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in maintaining the health and resilience of our ecosystems. Protecting birds is not just about preserving their beauty and song. It's about safeguarding the intricate web of life that sustains us all. The impact of supplemental feeding extends beyond individual birds. By attracting a variety of species to our gardens, we create micro-habitats that support a wider range of wildlife. This in turn contributes to the overall health and biodiversity of our local ecosystems. As we learn more about the challenges birds face, we can refine our feeding practices to provide the most effective support. Offering a variety of nutritious foods, such as sunflower seeds, suet, and mealworms, caters to the dietary needs of different species. Providing fresh water for drinking and bathing is also crucial, especially during freezing temperatures. The act of feeding birds is more than just an act of conservation. It's an act of self-care. In our fast-paced, technology-driven lives, it's easy to feel disconnected from the natural world. Feeding birds offers a simple, yet profound way to reconnect with nature and reap the myriad benefits it offers for our mental and emotional well-being. Imagine stepping outside on a crisp winter morning, the air filled with the anticipation of a new day. As you fill your bird feeders, you're greeted by a chorus of cheerful chirps and tweets. You pause for a moment, taking in the sight of these small creatures flitting and feeding, their energy contagious. In that moment, the stresses of daily life seem to melt away. Your mind quiets, your breathing slows, and a sense of peace washes over you. You're reminded of the simple pleasures in life, the beauty that surrounds us if we only take the time to notice. Studies have shown that spending time in nature, even for short periods, can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost cognitive function. Feeding birds provides an accessible and rewarding way to invite nature into our daily lives, reaping these benefits right in our own backyards.